Are you gonna come at me? Are you hurt? Hello? I don't know about that. We're gonna push him from the side. Hey, man. You good? Bud. Oh my god, are you dead?
Nani?
Hey. Hello? I'm scared. Oh my god, you're alive. Hey. Hey. Buddy. Hello? Oh, morning. Hi. You pooped your pants. Are you hurt? Did you get hurt in the storm? Well, I gotta let my dogs out or they're gonna pee inside. Can we go somewhere else? What the fuck? Yo. Hey, friends. Are you good? So, after I found Clifford and took care of him for a little bit, I looked up some bird rescues around the area and I found somebody and I called them and they're an hour and a half away, so I couldn't just go drop them off. So they recommended I put him in a box in the dark and let him rest for a couple of hours because she thought maybe he got hit by a car or he ran into something and had a concussion. And then she said after a couple of hours, check on him and see if he's ready to fly. So he's in the box right here, and I'm gonna open it and see if he's okay and if he's ready to go. All right, here we go. Hi, Clifford. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to leave? Go ahead, fly away, bud. Come on. Are you ready to go? Are you feeling better? Go, Clifford. Fly. You can do it. Go. Bye. Hey. Hello. I don't know about that. Oh, morning. Hi.